Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and be taking a quick look at the Honor View 20 on Magic Tech Review. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this video or any other video that you'd like to see on my channel for CES. So let's go ahead and take a look at the specs and everything like that, a quick look. And also it's got one of these punch holes on the camera, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, hey, what is going on guys? John from Magic Tech Review once again here with the Honor View 20. So here's the product right here. It actually has a hole punch camera in the front. I'm seeing that in a lot of the phones now. You know, what do you think about the hole punch in the front of the camera and everything?
So the hole punch camera is under the glass and it's only 4.5 millimeters in diameter. It allows for us to create kind of a almost full screen experience, true full screen experience. You know, last year a lot of phones had the notch. The notch obviously kind of gave a partial full screen experience because you still had the thing blocking the top. Yeah. But for us, it's all about really working on getting as close as we can to the 100% screen to body ratio. So that's why we developed the 20, and the camera, the front in-hole camera is actually 25 megapixels. So placing a 25 megapixel sensor inside was very, very difficult. But you know, we did not compromise on on our design. So we had to make it as small, the footprint as small as possible, but have the megapixel count as big as possible.
Okay, and where's the light sensor at? Like the face detection and all that stuff?
So this does not have 3D Face ID. So the normal Face ID also comes through the camera, the selfie camera in the front. Yes.
And also the light detection and like when you put your face to the phone or whatever and it goes dark. How do you guys have that also?
Everything is done through the camera, embedded in that camera right there. Yes. Okay. That is the only thing that's on top of the display. So you notice everywhere else, there's nothing else.
I know, yes. I see that. The bezel is beautiful on this device. And then
on the back is what we call, so this is a new industrial design technique. It's what we call the Aurora nanotexture. It's under the glass, and it creates, when light glares on it, it creates that sort of V-shaped effect. Yeah. And we feel that it relates, perfectly with our product because it's the View 20. So we really wanted to create something that would give our customers and our users a lasting impression. So whenever they see the back of the phone, they know, oh, it's the V20 with the V-shaped light effect.
Where is this released at right now?
So right now, it was only launched in China about 3 weeks ago. In December. The global launch will happen on January 22nd in Paris, France. And then the availability and pricing information will be available after January 22nd.
Gotcha. Yes. And how about bands and stuff like that? You know anything about that? Like US bands for LTE, and is it compatible with US bands?
That'll be available once the global launch happens.
Gotcha. Basically anything else you can tell us?
Yes, on the back of the phone, also in addition to the design, you also have the 48 megapixel camera, ultra clarity camera, so it's 48 megapixels.
That's crazy, dude.
That if you go into the camera application, 48 megapixel. So this is one of the best in the industry.
Right. And what's the price? What's the price range like?
So it was just released in China, and it starts at about 3,000 RMB, which is roughly a little less than $500.
Wow. Yeah. That's not,
yeah. It starts from 3,000. Depending on the memory configuration, it might go up a little, but it starts at 3,000.
Still, that's a deal, for sure.
Yes. And then this is the TOF 3D camera. TOF stands for time of flight, and this allows the camera to create a sense of depth. So if you look over there, we have a 3D demo over there where it allows you to do 3D gaming. So this camera will be able to track your movements. So there's a lot of potential. So it's kind of like the Xbox Kinect. When you have Kinect there and it tracks your body motions, this does the same thing. So we're putting it on your phone. You don't need to buy any extra accessories or anything. If you buy this phone and you connect it to the display TV, you can do 3D gaming as well.
All right, so that's about it, man. Very professional. Thank you so much.
Sure, absolutely.
For your time and everything like that.
Absolutely.
And thank you guys. Go ahead and leave a like if you did enjoy the content, and see you guys in the next video.